Inside Story Uganda, real source of political updates.
Tugenda batulira ensonga okuba nti Mzee Tamale Deputy Chief Justice John Butera, before we go to issue given mbadde akantu konja tukajjewo nako yagivune nagamba nti bonga judiciary bali ready okuba nti ba implement nga singa amendment yeno parliament eyisa ekyabbeera okuvaawo bo bali ready okuba bakiteeka mu nkola nga judiciary.
Yes,
abantu bayogedde bikankana.
The problem you have failed to understand this. This is changing. The government in Britain, the man who changed the laws was blanket blind man. Mubundi mu America, Bush introduced tough measures after the attack on Twin Towers. Otherwise, previously, Bush was forced to put prisoners in Eastern Europe. Babateka kutaka lya America. Babata. But the argument, Nabagam, the law is a blind kid. It doesn't know its parents. Namwe libakwati right. Ukujja konga specifiers. My quarrel is if people can fabricate a tape against me. This is why, because I hate the law, I don't commit crimes.
Okay. We wala kubanti nogwa mu.
Kakati nga kaka amaze okubuulira nti ayina cases abattanga bakawesa baani ng'ate bakuteyo abatali batuufu. Yes. Kakati is it an ideal situation for such a law?
Okuba nti no lijja.
Yes.
Kama nyine ugambe police tayina court martial.
Expeditiously, why should I be held on? Kubanga tuba tuzeeyo. The Museveni is avoiding detention orders as Robert. Gundi Kirunda yatambulanga ne detention orders. Nabaga nti one day Buganda Obote kazini we yakuba Semaganda yali good wa Kampala. Neya. Yavanga ejjinja gye yali kansala wa Kampala balondanga balonde nasaba sente nga kansala tetodde namukuba oluyi tewali sente namugamba n'abaganda temwagala Obote. Semaganda n'abuulira muwanga tiagaye n'abaganda tetwagala Obote mwenye negundi yakyogera baziriyokero timwe abaganda muli endogoyi etambula na mikko kati tebamubuuza ne Miriam Obote endogoyi ne Paulo Muwanga ndogoyi ne Kardinali endogoyi ne Mulumba ndogoyi. Yes. Rati gundi oyo Semaganda naye Obote yagamba muganda yaddukira mu State House nti okoze eki timwanga yakunoonya amagezi genkuwa kankuwa emmotoka ekudduse mangu ogende Luzira nga lwogi nawone Muwanga ajja kujjawo
agende Luzira.
Abantu babeeranga Luzira nga balojans to fear.
Okay.
Yes. Kakati we must understand. Timia I can look what the president is frustrations. Abalamuzi the police bali badde begattawamu to convict a criminal. Naye kakati zinagambye if I was a smart guy nange musajja wa part of Africa yali agenda kunkwata yatuma abantu ngeyo kesa amanyingi kolaki njimanyi kati bwe kibakola bali bwe bati tigwe kasaba kola omusanga abo ba Asians abachina balina ba front siwali mu police roddawa what they do bo kati go ogenda you this man was approached by this girl.
Okay.
Kabafunza ki believed to by helping the two to reconcile aja kufuna yakachi because the other guy was smarter. Because the moment I arrest you for extorting money, this case, the original case dies. Chechani bakafunza ki.
Okay.
Ndi bakafunza ki lekene. If bakafunza ki was interested in a bribe, why didn't he go to Africa? Why did he get into a hotel? Why didn't he tell this man that you take the money to my home?
To my home.
Yes. How this is how they kill cases. That when you become an extortionist and it goes away with the area case of assault. What happened when you bribe? When this man is arrested for extorting a bribe, how did this case end? This case was a witness
No.
Why didn't the police proceed? N'ogamba ti omuntu gwe batwalira omutwe sipiika w'eggwanga omulamba, the case did not proceed. N'ogamba nti omwana gwe bakwata enansana ng'ali walinga abawala into a trap ne bakwatira mu nnyumba ye 10 billion, the case is silent. Ekitegeeza eyo situation sigikkiriza nti batubuuza buli batusoma public relations batubuuza what influences public perception. What is influences public perception? Past experience, your peers, the type of family you grew up. Somebody was saying, I'm a pauper. How can this poor man defeat me? I have factories, I have industries. He is struggling to feed his children. Yes, according to the Bible, I have to struggle to feed my family. Yes. And that's why God has blessed me. In spite of my meager resources, I've produced doctors. I don't know whether your family has ever produced a medical doctor. I've produced lawyers. I don't know whether your family can produce lawyers with all the resources you have in industries. And the man told him two issues that are stuck in my mind. Yours, I'm sorry to tell you, yours is privileged wealth. This man struggles. 2, the man has massive support. Even if you divide that money into this man, you cannot, the man has an asset. You cannot defeat him. Kakati ebyo malisi. If me, singoti bamanyi nti dinerifu 3 nkusuula eddalu singa banerenga mudda, I would be in a prison. If I collect tapes, ngabaga tumutte, noyo lutwama, tumutte, tukole tutya, tumusibeko gundi, tumutekeko muntu, tumukole tutya. I cannot allow this. I cannot allow this provision in a country where the majority of people who are facing who are in prison are innocent. President atekewo akakiiko ababuuzi. I told you, nti gundi Kazinda izeke bakafunze ki? Yes. Kazinda was being used to fight Bigirimana, and Bigirimana was being fought because they believed that Bigirimana was protecting the first lady.
Okay.
That's why Kazinda defied all orders from Bigirimana, and they used kana kasajja kwali mu nyumba akesirongo kakeka kuba Bigirimana. All of the newspapers were mobilized against Bigirimana. Gagwe bagala avemu.
Okay.
Yes.
So
Kazinda mumute. In fact, we should have the president should, before moves with this bill denial. The president should institute a committee. I don't trust this Human Rights Commission. Wangalia yakoba mujawe naduka gundi simanya Gigi's office mulimu kamya candidate is being undermined. They planted somebody there. I'm undermining okumanya bajozi oyo gwe bateekamu yagenda ewabaddemu deputy Gigi. Can you train me how to work? Omuntu okukujoga kumanyira ako kamanyiro ekifo kyange bakikuwadde ng'ojje wange nti Doni yali asobola okujja ewange. The fact that I've been chased away is because I'm incapable. And how can a madman be transferred to president's office? I can give him a nje kwata omutwe gwe kalenzi gwe nze nalaga wange kwetuulira kubanga nze I don't have secretaries in Gun. So therefore, let us address the president's concerns. Olunaku lumu President Museveni yakwata ebbaluwa nga permanent secretary asaba enguzi. Ndiye yennyini n'agyekwata, but the man was acquitted by the court.
President Museveni akutte ye mwenye omusango.
Yes.
Court nekola ki?
Yes. So it should be true where you see the judge granting a bail to somebody, he has perused through the police file. Yes. So you must investigate. The president has created this trouble. When one institution fails to work, Museveni replaces it with another. It is how he did director Aklu would have been sacked long time ago. But Museveni created military intelligence. Military intelligence about Damulira. See like experts value.
Okay.
Sack this woman.
What you say,
Until when Mulyagonja failed to work as a gig because she was in the armpit of Tumwebas and others. Oh, akintu nja bakuba obutambi mu abantu babakube babatte mutunda amawugwe g'abantu nze ne bayamba ekintu ekyo. I cannot surrender Ugandan to the ICC. They even threatened me with a travel ban because the case Erikunzi is on me. Okay. And in fact, I'm seeing trouble at the international airport. I think the president wanted to take there somebody that fight. Even the security at the international airport, let me tell you, is under investigation by ICC. Why? It's all about abantu abatalina biwandiiko babayisa wano Entebbe ne babayisawo ne bagenda abatali bagenda. They are in prisons. Nabo babadde tobana mu abantu be mbadde tebukimanyi mu abasecurity abaliwo. You are under investigation.
Okay.
Entebbe airport has been a hub enjaka biki ne babakwatayo ne bamuje omanyi nti nze Otafiire yanzijira omusajja ku nnyonyi. Omusajja yali mu hoteri ng'akola kakati n'abavaawo aba hoteri n'atandika waka agundi expert ne baagala bamukewa. Otafiire yabaga nti I'm 0-0. But the man is already on board. Who told you to take him on board? Nga yagenze mu kooti n'awaaba omusango gwe olukugenda okuliwa nga bamujeewo. Offload him. That's why I like people like Otafiire. Offload him. Bamujja ku nnyonyi. Nga babaguze bamudduse wano bamutwale kubanga bano batya competition. So under such circumstances
But issue ngeye ngotabonda issue ngeye Onebe olugabaga mukyala gwesula musi
Onebe kati bakugamba has lost his job. Onebe, let me tell you, your people, if you are exhuming negate mujikula so that the public can come and witness. Two, forensic expert alirudo hatu confirm waliwo ge baga nti amagumba gambwa kasirye yayina muganda omukozi n'agamba mpaka sintwazekawo omuntu. When the bones were exhumed, the expert said gambwa. This is the second case.
Yes.
Ekyokusatu nti omukazi ono balina company ya security nga bagagga.
Yes.
Who has revived this case? Kati ebyo malisi. You read my book.
Kati etekadde mu mbeere.
Olaba nti when you read my book Vomits of a Master Spy, even the van eya motoka gye baakuba ne mufiiramu no special forces, it was an inside job. The survivor wali nti bali bagala kubba insurance. Kakati in such a situation, where mercy the order of the day, nti okutta omukazi Nassali atalina mwana akoledde emyaka 7 mu education niye afunye omulimu gwe mu UNESCO n'omuvunaana nti ye n'abantu 3 babba obukadde 35 with 3 others omusango ne gumala emyaka erifu 3 naye omanye kuba Christians Nassali omugani nkakusuulira eddala tugende bakasuula eddala lutakkiriza. Why do you fear to kill people? Why do you kill snakes?
Etteeka linene lya bbeeyi okuva terigenda
ngezaako nkuyingize. Are you cut? Baawo kyembabuuza mwe mwagala abaana bammwe babeere bulungi mwe muli mmese mwe muli kapa erya nemmese ey'olubuto. The man is killing our political careers. Yes. What did you do to mine? A calabash of beer is compensated by calabash of beer. You attacked me, you poisoned me, you battered my son, you wanted to kill my wife. Yes. Let us pay. You are paying through the nose. Next time nakali mataliirega hajja genda ejanga ntoli baka twako n'ennyondo yaka munana ndi wange ntudde kujiwa feeling atabagada baga nti the last blow kakati mmwe atemba dusa misinde with evidence mudduka buduse mutuseeko ne makomera mukomewo gwokubiri tuyingire ka bully face mbalageko mulabe lunatikisi mulaba omugweddalu ali ekamwenge ekyokulya ndolyo eryokugalangawo pulogulaamu zange ndi mumalemu mukamulenga ebyenda by'embuzi. Currently is under malice. Under malice, I cannot allow President Mumuyambe. Let the president look what the president want to achieve. One my problem is don't abuse him. The Bijambia people has been there. a leader must provide the solution. Nabaga nti ffe mu Baganda omwana bw'aba yeebase bubi ambanga gwe omuntu omukulu weebase bubi olubaalo ne lukiwuka there is no medicine naye baddira akaso bw'owa olukonokono left-handed person n'akakuteekamu ensi teyinza kubeerawo nga terina solution. What does the president want to achieve? Does he want to achieve to lock up his political opponents? Does Museveni believe in locking up their political? In fact, Besigye was getting bail.
Opposition is saying
no. Did you see Besigye bakola obubi is reverse psychology, deception. They have told you, Besigye, if we want to address the city center area of Tubiramu. There was a time when the first lady wanted to organize a local meeting on Constitution Square. Constitution Square, this is the law. The first lady did not pursue the matter. Kakati, if the first lady cannot pursue the matter, who are you? Nti Besigye abata yagala kuba nkuŋŋaana. Besigye yagala flow. Why? Besigye targets working places. Why? To disturb the workers. If the government fails to handle Besigye mercilessly, then the mass will join the Besigye. Bajeko government enafu. Kenda bagamba nti if you have a crying baby ku mizigo nga tate weta mugulira mata mwevemo omwakwa n'omukazi agula amata mwebaka oli locate. That is a strategy of Besigye. Besigye targets working places because as known yajjanga sawa musanvu nayiwe emmere bagenda kujjula mmere era ajja kufa wayirindi Baganda don't throw away kukuti food is a taboo tukwago takimubuuliranga kubanga omukazi omutunzi w'emmere akeera ku makya n'agenda nakasero oba any other market neyeewolayo ennyama kiro 10 neyeewolayo engege neyeewolayo ebinyeebwa neyewola amatooke ebyo byonna bimulaba bafumba ono credit kakati ono credit n'atunda era obalaba babala
asasula kawungeezi bwekiri
kakati Besigye when Besigye comes at lunch time you don't know, you don't look at it seriously. He's killing all of the suppliers of this woman. He's undermining their livelihood, which means he must be tackled mercilessly. Abantu batambulira enkoni zaabwe mu working places. If you want to demonstrate, call a press conference at your home. Yes.
Mzee Tamale, ngato ensonga tugimaliriza omukulu Lieutenant General adumira Land Forces wano mu Uganda omuhozi kana Rugaba yavudde n'agamba nti yagenda kubasula okutawolo singa embere y'abasajja bakulembera tekyusu yavayo n'abanga yasaba akasente kali okasiba katukiza mu mbinga 20 badatereza embere y'abasajja be abali mabarikisa agenjawulo ng'ebombo nawa naye nga mutuufu ensimbi agamba embu yaawo waliwo abaganya ensimbi zino okuvaayo naye agamba singa ensimbi zibeere tekolebwako
it is a sign of stability.
It
is a sign of stability. Why and concern? Why? When they were discussing the removal of the 10 soldiers representatives in the parliament, let the soldiers watch. Kati nze nabagamba nti very dangerous double edged sword. That the soldiers will come and witness nga balaba ababbi ne bakolaki Abaganda baganda nkwatirako bufuka bugumbo. When I come to help you, am I becoming a mumbo holo munyambe?
No.
Kakati oyita ojoko bali bagenda okujja wababaka 10 abali mu maje nga bakyoli batandise okusaba olutalo. Even their contribution is not clear because our army is composed of very brilliant people.
Okay.
Very brilliant people. What they need is the managerial skills. Tibasobola okukola emirimu gyonna. These ones who are retiring with master's degrees in law would be participating in the politics. This would be the RDCs. Abafera batunda ettaka ly'abantu. We take it there. Tanzania, when you retire from the army, you were used as DCs. In Kenya, management. abadde inspector general police Ali is the post office general Kibwana was in Gundi. They are absorbed because of the
mzeta Malik baradisi bafuse baradisi they are trying batadewe mbere okuba basindikiza abantu bapaka bagende begemese ne omwogezi wa minisoni yote yabudde naganti okwegemesa bannaye sikwa buwaze kyakuge ne baradisi bafuse baradisi bagana mu ofisi za bagana muki
singanzire wako mukazi nangamba nti mere yejejirya mpaka sigiri yaje
era tuswa jiria.
Yes.
But
bring passes until the problem is until the institutions with what some public wound must come to change the society. You use people who matter in society who have influence. Kati abawa loko naba namatagalo. But they have made contradicting statements abantu ne badduka go wagira kino go wabba wano go wabaki ne church nayo ne gamba nti ate eno church house ngate si yabo ya minister ne batagala ne bafuka bana matagalo kakati all of the people the person who can persuade Uganda is Museveni. I'm telling you and a few of us who have credibility ba abantu bali bi mirundi ebiri kakati bano bannamatagalo ate be bawa ssente bamatagalo bannamatagalo contradicting statements weyogera kino ne kitabaye ntano yogera kino kati badde gamba tioyito bwe bali bateesa okujja amagye 10 mu parliament yabagamba yayimira n'agamba Mr. Speaker sir, if this motion is passed as it is, I'm afraid tomorrow you will not be sitting in the same seats you are sitting now. Wito joko yatulanga kusaidia DP.
Na munamaje?
Wito joko nze natandika kuandika parliament in 1980.
Okay.
Yes, I'm not a very old man, but my brain works.
The brain
works. We've been around for many years and very informative. Nali mukwano kwa semugerere nnyo. Omwina ange bannemba. Banga ndi Museveni agambe ntigenda wagire semugerere ayagala kuwummula.
No mwagira
nekube ekisanja okimalawo yamala kumpita nti wayi ekisanja ngokikubi nemugamba nti atizi kikubi kyobula bona ntya yabagenda emirundi mumanyi yakuba mbabazi namuteeka dakuba besiye namuteeka nono namumazi bwaba ludu efulumi ali muhongo. How can you defy your father-in-law? If you defy him now when he is in charge nga yeyambisa force, you are telling him that the moment you take a charge of the force he is using to compare you to do things, you must prepare a salary in his kakati gwe tosobola kusika yakubiddwa kati akake kaludo kafulumye eddaka limuhoomu nga neseresa nga badde aziremedde kakati nkogamba nti what the military mukitegeera look what this matter seriously.
Yes, yajeno muhozo kwajja nagamba abasajja be bali mu mbeera.
You read, you have a highly educated military. They read in newspapers scandals, billions stolen, 100 billion stolen, 50 billion stolen. Abana baabwe bababooza mu mwalwanira ki? Publishing scandals ife abaganda batugamba nti twekisiza akira tunamumma. My father trained me. When there is no food, na yetali anga wali wabagenyi. Ize kimi. Goga nti bandetere emmere mulimu abasajja seba abagumu. Akugamba nakwata ayabe ronde nawe leka. Banakuleetera endala nze mugenyi. Botama mukambwe ngaffe. Omanya abantu bano tibalina olugezigezi. Basooka kukyusa kigambo. Nekifuuka tukiyita tutya. If yourself ngoba mu kibuga nze nakolese mbwagala sente ngoba mu kibuga ayogera diplomatically ngoba mu kibuga
ayagala transport
ngoba mu kibuga nze nakolese kakati bwagera otumiza emmereyo nalyoka agamba wamaleeta endala eyange kyojja kungisasula you pay ate gwe wamanyiza nga nkumanyizaawo. So abantu bano balina engeri gye banyigirizaamu abaki abalala mu lugezigezi. These soldiers are highly educated. Abajaasi babagumikiriza mama yingia pole. I'm not inciting.
Yes.
When you compare the police and the soldiers, police balina amayumba agatengene. Yes, there was a time ndinabera nga mukundi omu nti bajja aba special forces bagende bakuume musisi. Naye nga ssente musisi z'abasasula abakuuma Museveni tebaziina and the facilities everywhere mu nsi yonna amagye kabeera ne 3 kakati baliwo gye babakolera babawola tebagenda mu gundi ne babawola is not inciting but stop kubamba gamba nti when a mad woman walks naked ngalowooza nti the state will chase away other men. No, she will be raped by fellow mad people. Kakati bwe mugamba nti mujja kuba mu mawulire nti $400 million nankobiwadduka kitutu batwala kalamujja eyazibbye bano abazibba ababiri bo basigaddewo tebakwatira kati nankobirwambw atutte ate naye yasanzewo yaziyoddewo nadduka. They are watching.
When you look at the budget ey'eggwanga Uganda si nnyingi nnyo naye nga abasajja tebafuna ku
ssente. Anti nkugambye mu defense emundu egula ssente mmeka ne bagamba nti ebintu ebimu tebiri calculatewo. Eyo ennyonyi gyolaba gyebonga neekola bweyetegoga nti omuserikale alya kawunga nabijanjala agibonga. Maintaining those wound. Tanka enywa amafuta meka okubuguma. Military, a state, you see, they tell us that leadership emerges at the surplus level.
Okay.
There was no kingdom in Saudi Arabia. The kingdom of Saudi Arabia started in 1933 after the discovery of oil. Leadership, a state survives at a surplus level when you can afford. Nti Muswati ayina abantu bameka naye ayina ennyonyi ye ayina batambula nabo mu conferences abalanya logologo Muswati logologo Muswati logologo ate nga bo bambadde bukete. Ennyonyi ebeeramu abantu bowing because once you have a state operates at the surplus level. Naye tuyinza nti babbe nti yatwala sente zange ngende mufuka bisikuba ennondo mutwe oba ndi mwavu naye ate tuyinza kunjuuga. Omusajja yakugambye nti you have privileged wealth. Wakolawa, do you own it? I know you where? Do you own? What do you own? Where do you own? And you will get a hostile regime and the subject your awareness that makes you proud. You can end up without a spoon in your home.
Baramaje bantu bavudde banga basanyuse okuba nti General Muhoozi
baleeta abamaje bakamandazi ne babawa ennamba za mmotoka. Osanga ayina emmotoka jeno ng'ataddeko gundi ye flag nga waliwo ssebe ery'omuliveni eribbiri education agabba radio za Museveni agabba ki buli kamu lyo nga liri mu mpenkoni. Abaana b'owamaje ne bamuga daddi leeba ne bagenda ewaabwe ne balaba embaga. Obuwolo ni bubi, obuwolo nimbwa, obuwolo ni bubi, obuwolo nimbwa, obuwolo ni bubi. Abakikuyu bagambye abasajja abakikuyu bagambye Raila Odinga. There was a meeting between the Kikuyus and the Luos in the 70s. Kakati bakantindo za bakinyi tebanna bakutuuka bajjanga batambula bajjira ku boda bali mu kamunyi abakigwini baganti bano betugenda okwogera nabo abatalina kanenga balina PhD bano abagenze ejo abakikuyu babagambye it is abominable in Kikuyu to tell a young man of poverty is abominable. Obuwolo ni bubi, obuwolo nimbwa, obuwolo ni bubi, obuwolo nimbwa. Kakati abasajja bali ayina PhD agenda kulaba nga ekiri ku mpaka obuwolo ni bubi, obuwolo nimbwa yenyota ziriwa. Kakati kitawe namubuuza nti iwe ebyawe byakaba bita. Yes, we should listen to the army. The army, the soldiers. As you evacuate, as civilians evacuate, the soldiers pay for their own blood.
Nze Tamale, eno move si yakubati nno General Muhoozi yavudde ku bantu yatekera ku bantu yajja mu kulembeze. Is it tayari kuva mu maje kutegeeza for presidency?
Yes, it me tuyita situation evaluation.
Yeah.
Abagezi tuyita situation evaluation. Waliwo abatamiivu baali bana. Ne banywa mwenge Kenya baguyita kyanga. Ne baddeyekanga ne basangibwa ku makyanga abasatu bafu.
Okay.
Kakati munnaabwe owokuna ate yakeera we babunyweredde nagamba mpe kati bambeka bamusaba oli bagamba you mad
Mwanye do mega kati woze
nabaga you were stupid. Me am not mad, you people you are mad. If we talk with the same staff and the three are dead, I'm alive. You investigate, it means when we left the other three went somewhere.
Why not buy it dead?
Or whatever bari bayita omutami but investigation
yabawama
gezi. kakati whether is Muhoozi is planning to do something or not, naye abaganda bakugamba siri alaga mubiri. When somebody says he's starving, you can see.
Okay.
Yes, it's obvious. Our soldiers living well going. Kubanga, you would say, if it was not a fellow soldier, you would say incitement.
Yes.
But this one, you address what he's saying.
Yes.
Maybe others fear. Do you know why me I attack others? Mbakuba. The reason why I attack everybody, one woman knowledge, so I cannot be mistaken. The way number was president, Omwana fana kitaba bateka ku DNA. Whatever I do it in good faith.
Zaitamali.
Yes.
Ensonga gyatu gimalirize yokuba nti no amama mbabazi.
No, naye bwe abatategeera wawendi.
Tebakulaba.
No. Somebody, when somebody is interested in you, must know your program.
Okay.
Yes. Kakati nkugamba.
Amama mbabazi. Especially envo yayingiri South Sudan ne Ethiopia.
Amama mbabazi ayina ebintu ebi. Bibiri. Is Amama, what's the role of Amama Mbabazi now? Amama Mbabazi, I analyze Amama Mbabazi. Never can tell you, he was bound to fail.
Okay.
You know why? Amama Mbabazi, ye akosa sagiko. To undermine Museveni with his. Nti bagende Museveni alemedwa using his position as Secretary General.
Okay.
But he lacked the support of his wife. Bessie was brought by Winnie Benjamin. Yes. When you read the making of Dr. Bessie, they analyze. This one I say that Mbabazi will fail. They will predict it. I said that nti gundi kasajja gwe
akasajja kaliki.
Kakati sijja kujira ddala oba tomanyi nti ndi ku TV, sijja kujira ddala.
Akasajja kaliki.
These people, you must, why are you disparate? Kakati nkugamba, why Mbabazi's presidential bid is bound to fail. I predicted it. A critical look at an analysis of Amama Mbabazi's presidential bid reveals that his handlers, who included his wife and sister-in-law, Hope Mwesige, and daughter, Nina Mbabazi, overlooked several factors. Success of the politics to Mubala. Tinkugandi, the most important factor now is that whoever wants to be president of Uganda, or president Ejabuchima wa Museveni.
Buyagala president.
Anybody who fell out with
Museveni, forget.
Anybody who follows out with Museveni, forget. Because Museveni is going to die here. Has known, given time to evaluate all of the situations. Those who have handed the power to their former adversaries, those who have gambled, those who have gambled, and Museveni is the last one. So God has given him visions to evaluate. When his son old man making a will, that's why I say his will must be implemented. Why? He got time. Yes, he got time. Kakati Museveni abaprovokirize bukyali and Mbabazi era kati bano bali ewantu wamu. That's why bali wamu nti bantawanyi naye buli omu gye agikubye wano essimu ane agikubye werope mbabuulire erope bweyo disturb me erope omanyi bibeera wamu nga bitudde kandi negamba nti Mbabazi now is not coming. He has been recruited by one of the factions that are against Muhoozi.
No, but by the president. He has been recruited. No. The president there is a person who believes that the successor will be chosen in kati esimu eno girume kati girume niti girume. Okay, nga tukyali ku twanyiza muzeeyi tuli ku nsonga
Mama
Mbabazi yaweddwa okuba
okubeera
nga abeera
Mama Mbabazi, people, they are a person who believes that the elders will sit and choose his success. No. The elders will not choose to choose his oziraba esimu zifali
esimu zireke tumalize program. Okay, tugende ku nsonga Mbabazi yaweddwa
ane nkubuulidde nkugamba
why is not Ethiopia
nkugamba nti what I'm telling you takina political crowd yemutwalayo
Sudan Ethiopia.
Yes. Luli yali alina power. Power n'aja abusinga n'agenda. He cannot hold the same political crowd he has. Nabali bategeera. Omanyi mwe kyemutamanyi ku foreign missions. The people understand. If today let me tell you, singa vice president agenda kumukola e Rwanda. Necessarily n'abeera omugenyi omukulu e Rwanda. Di Rwanda lwetegeera nti muli serious. So foreign missions, this is why you make mistakes. Nti omukulembeze w'eggwanga ntunuulira omwaka wamu. This is a former RDC. Umundetedde wano. Nti China gye mulowooza nti nsi y'amaanyi nnyo. Ndi mutwalayo ekiyonga atayagala nayo. Ng'ebirowoozo biri kajja yeesimbewo.
Si kyangu nnyo.
Anti kyenkubuulira nti if in Libya all these Arab countries where leaders, kings can be accessed during Jumas, he will send there omukafiri who cannot enter a mosque. Oba ofunye eki?
What ofunyemu?
Yes. Kakati nenkubuulira negamba nti kani Mama Mbabazi regain his former political crowd is not.
Sigenda kubanga nsukka olugenda kuba mberekeza ku embeera y'okuba nti nno tufunye mutataganyizibwa naye